Hello guys, this is the final year project of our group, which is called as the solar based EV charging station with additional battery storage system. Here we can see that we have used the three system which feed the energy to this EV charging station. The first one is from the grid side, the second one is from the solar panel side, and the third one we have used the additional battery storage system, which is going to be become the third part of this system to provide the energy to this EV charging station. So let's understand one by one all these aspects. So start from this grid connection. Basically the first way of giving the energy to this system is from the grid side. So this connection which is from the grid side, in between there is one transformer user. After that transformer there is one rectifier user, and output of this rectifier which is going to connect it to this changeover switch, and this changeover switch output is connected to this EV charging station. So first from grid side we got the 230 volt AC supply. This is a step down transformer, and this step down transformer step down the voltage up to 12 volt, and this 12 volt AC voltage is going to be converted into the DC with the help of this rectifier, and the output of this rectifier is 5 volt, which is going to be connected to this changeover switch. And after getting this 5 volt, this supply or this connection is connected to the EV charging station. This is the first part of this system. Let's see the second part of this system, which is a renewable system, solar PV panel. Here we have used the output of this solar PV channel is connected to the charge controller, and second one is that the output from this charge controllers which is going to add with this or which is going to reserve in this battery storage system, and from this battery storage system the output which is given to this changeover switch, and let's similar from this side like that. This voltage is also connected to the EV charging station. So this solar panel which is going to collect the energy from the sun, and we know that the energy collected from the sun in this solar PV channel which is in the DC form, and the output of this DC output of this solar panel is the 12 volt, which is going to fulfill to this changeover switch. And we know that the main function of the changeover switch is to avoid the reverse current, as well as to avoid the overcharging as well as the discharging of the battery. The second one, here we have used the buck converter. We know that the buck converter, which is also called as the DC step down transformer. So this buck converter convert the 12 volt DC supply into the 5 volt DC supply, and in the same way the output of this buck converter which is connected to the changeover switch, and this changeover switch is also connected to the EV charging station. This is the second part. The third part is that we have connected this solar PV panel which is directly towards the EV charging station. There is no intermediate device which have been connected in between that. So this solar PV output which is connected to the this buck converter. Again, the main function of buck converter, 12 volt DC supply is converted into the 5 volt DC supply. Again, the output of this is connected to the changeover switch, and this output from the changeover switch is connected to the EV charging station. So at the simultaneously we can connect all these three systems to our EV charging station, but if any condition, if one of the two system from this out of the three system get off, at that time For example, the solar PV charging solar panel is also not working, as well as this additional battery storage is not working. At that time, our grid will play important role in that, and it will supply the power or energy to this EV charging station. If unfortunately this grid is not working, or it is get off, then at that time our solar PV panel or our additional battery storage system will came into the picture and provide the energy to this EV charging station. And if unfortunately this both system, like solar panel as well as the grid, is not in the picture, at that time our additional battery storage system will provide the energy to this EV charging station. So ultimately the overall meaning of this system is we got the proper reliability in this system. The second one is that all the three systems are interconnected, so that's why the reliability of the system gets improved. So that's why we can't feel any difficulties to do charging in this charging station. So this is all about our project. So thank you.